Growing up, we were used to frying our pancakes in hot oil, but today we'll be making something different. For these fluffy pancakes, I'll be using overly ripe bananas, buttermilk, sugar, nutmeg, vegetable oil, baking soda, and of course baking powder, flour, milk or vanilla oil. The ingredients are listed in the description box. Feel free to check. 2 fresh eggs. Add your fresh eggs to the buttermilk and give it a whisk. Add your vegetable oil. Add all dry ingredients together, and we'll be adding our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients until a light consistency. Guys, this recipe will be using a non-stick pan, so scoop your batter as thin and thick as it is to the non-stick pan and top it up with the banana, strawberry, any fruit of your choice. You get to know this batter is ready when you see bubbles on the surface. Also, feel free not to top it up with anything, it's your choice. Guys, this pancake is the truth. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you on my next one.